Let's start by adding a patient and clicking on New Patient. Fill in the patient's information in the required fields: first name, age, gender, and date of X-ray. Click on 3D to upload your CBCT file. Choose the 3D source file, single, multi, zipped ICOM, or iOS. Uploading the case may take a few minutes, and you'll be notified when it's finished. To export your STL file, click Export in the 3D Actions drop-down menu, then select the option you'd like to download. To access the segmentation, click on 3D Actions, then select View 3D. On the right side, you'll find a drop-down panel where you can change the color of each anatomical part. You can also adjust the opacity by dragging the bar below the color selector. Use the Elements option if you want to select only specific teeth. For faster tooth coloring, simply double-click the selected tooth. A drop-down menu will appear, where you can choose Change Color and select your desired color. Use Clip Scene to isolate specific teeth or areas. Select an angle: coronal, sagittal, or axial. Adjust the slider, and click Flip to view the opposite side. The Measure Distance tool lets you quickly estimate distances between teeth or to the jawbone. Click to place a point, then click a second point to draw a line. The measurement appears automatically. Click the View Angle feature and select the desired anatomical angle. Download the report and select from the list of formats. This feature is helpful for communication with patients, other dental professionals, or insurance providers. The QR code at the top is very useful for patients, as it allows the doctor to easily access the case by scanning it.